love this mask. Love it so much. I love it so much, the mask. It makes the skin feel shakamandi after you seven the same. Plug it, it's definitely a great plug, this one. Yeah, pen up him. Oh, finish all that in here. So nice and fresh, man. It's so nice and minty. Love it. I don't know. I need to check bands on them and then before Divas because I don't like checking what to wear after Divas because I'll probably get sweaty because and there's bands on them and don't. They went to Gqeberha. Yeah. Somebody mascara and then check what I can wear for tonight. Lunch. What vibes should I go for? Like in the last year? What vibes? Guys, and did you know about checking over? What launch is this? Okay, so Galxboy is in town. Yay. Galxboy is in town, and so now Happy and I have been invited to attend a store launch sample. So excited about that. We'll see how it goes, and yeah. So iqalango 6:30. The time is 4:30. I need to get ready as soon as possible because me and I'm figure why kids can be so upset if and Gqeberha. So yeah, we are going to Galxboy store launch. My plan depends on London because I'm just ones on London. I don't know which vibes I should go for. One, there's no, but my small. Let's get into it. Guys, and honestly, but I think I tried to iron this hair. My husband is on his way, and I need to get done. The other one. Run away. We're MacBook.
Sorted. I'll bring it for you guys.
Thank you.
Come, I have yours just now, eh?
Okay. Cling cling. Hey my loves, we are here. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to hear me properly, but we are here at the store lounge. It is so nice, it's so cute at the boardwalk. So you should come check it, guys. It's nice, it's so bright. The vibe is vibing. And yeah, sifikile sabona, baby sifikile sabona certain. Sifikile sabona sa enjoy. Yeah, that sounds nice. Here's the ghost ring. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Oh, this is so nice. Thank you. Yay, thank you.
It's finger food myself and too.
Ooh, let me just move this.
Tacos are nice too. You can have some.
Ne?
Yeah.
The one with tea, Lena, people have fish. Yes.
Take a tour.
Okay.
Rising with you tonight is on a violin. It's about time I'm waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like on.
My brother was Mikile in Dogba. Nazi flowers of Valentine. Send this sorted. I'm a content I don't know. Oh wow. It's so cute. Let me try this.
Okay, that's a popcorn millionaire.
Okay, it looks nice. Try this as well. What is this?
Nutella cream.
Okay. Which one is people's faves? This one or this one?
Take the ball.
People like a brownie, but the apple crumble is quite nice.
Yes.
It's really nice, actually.
Okay, let me try this as well. Thanks, my babe. Thank you.
Want some fruits?
I think I'm good. I actually eat fruit like the entire week.
So you
I eat
now.
clean, so I'm good. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you, sweetie. John. What is a full phone yam? Guys, my husband when you belele uthi phone yam izokubuka namhlanje yebo. So phone yam. Hey baby. Why is when you belele la san? Phone yam ba izokubuka. John. Nabu watermelon right here, sweet. Guys, the official opening of Galxboy Boardwalk is tomorrow, which is the 14th of February. Probably Lila Vlog is a big and safe for me. So, it's a big and safe really nice. So, come check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I think we're gonna go home soon now. We had nice drinks. I hope you guys can hear me. We had nice drinks, we had nice food, I got some flowers as you just saw. The Valentine ready. The Valentine ready. And yeah, you should check it out, guys. At Gqeberha. This is the Galxboy. Guys, I think it's home time, Goku.
Tonight is on a violin. It's about time for waking up. Told you wasn't with me waking up.
Lindele sithandwa sam. Ngamkhetha sikhona zonke ziphelele. Ngamkhetha sikhona zonke ziphelele. Baby, ngakhetha sikhona zonke ziphelele. Kubona ukhetha on? It's not about inkomo, but ukhetha. Kaloku uyakwazi ukhetha umuntu without inkomo, baby. Okay. Bona ii-rings zabantu mntu wam. Abantu abazibona ii-rings zabantu. Sihamba mnyeni wam. Sibone uba senza ntoni. I'm going for my morning run. The time is 6:45 and I'm going for my morning run. It's my birth week, so only calling a bang and so early that time. Masambing Exegola sana andiyazi noba kunkungu na okanye kuyaqhuma. I don't know. Hayibo, kuvalwe indlela. Ivalwe njani indlela for ntoni? Sebhodi. Hayibo, ndawujika phi sana? Kwenzeka ntoni na? Man, kuyatsha man. Sana guys. Hey. Ngathi ayizopasa le nto ndifuna uyenza. Kwenzeka ntoni? Because kuvaliwe nakwelaa cala. Mandijika phaa elandukeni. Phina apha Albany Road. Because ndiyava ngokuba kunokukutsha mos. What's going on? Hayi sana guys, andisayazi ke ngoku. Because valiwe nayo i-Albany Road. What is going on here? Umntu makathini ke wosalam. Umntu makathini. Yenza ke njonge phaa ngase Motiko, phaa ngase Royal. If kuvaliwe na ayikaloku sana. Ndabheka kule direction suppose ndiyinyukela. Sibone ke ngokuba izawuthini into. Sibone ke ukuba izawuthini into because zininzi imoto ezishayo ke kule lento kulo N2. Kulo M4 I mean. Let's see. Exehola. This morning, say hola. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, hola. Okay, seems clear. Sana guys, something is going on here. Something is really going on. town. PECBD ke sana tsa terminus. Terminus. Hey, you guys, what is going on here? Oh, I send 5 to Dikwam. Nah, send a very 5 to Baman Dikwam. Hey, I see some mang. Kenny. Kya you on Summer Strand this morning? Oh, son, go for living a lap. I'll have to ask because I'm the boss. Gotta go on this. Hello, Mama. Can I just ask, how do you reach Summerstrand? Are we even supposed to go there today?
Gonna turn at that avenue and then you go straight.
See, you see, I'm going to say airport.
Yes.
Like this airport, okay, ma'am. Cause.
Okay, guys.
Zawubaleka sendiniwe today. Zawubaleka sendiniwe. The motors are flowing at least this side. It's giving me hope. The flowing of the cars is really giving me so much hope. I can't find parking here because Gqeberha is still at beachfront. My life son ingathi I will have to share ifone yami because domncane uyochukela amaphara ezihlelele. I will update you guys baqhubeka ndinabe Summerstrand because pha kwesistratos chicken licken there are no cars ezihambayo pha and I'm just only seeing abantu abawokhayo babalekayo and also cyclists. So I understand. Nabikhona race koyo. Nabikhona into koyo. So ngizawushiya ifoni yami ngoku apha. I'll catch up with you guys buya kwami. Ne. Yeah. Let's go. Hi, buds. Hey my loves, I am back. Yo, and so apparently there's a cycling competition going on. That's why I'm tired, so I ran from here. I'm gonna do Mike's Kitchen to a something good, from a something good and back. From a something good in that rule, that's the thing I said, that chicken, it's a King's Beach. And now I'm dead. This was so nice, so refreshing, a great way to start the week. So I'm proud of myself. Also, the fact that I'm sad and baleka because then man baleka and pause in between but walks on girl baleka umgama othingqi. Wow, so proud of myself. Let me go refresh. Join your happiness sparkles lens and don't pipeline. Also forgot to prep my oatmeal because before the ambulance I and then later on things are things are happening. Otherwise the job was so great. It was really nice. Just nice. Oh, the way people stare. Yo, the way people stand, yes. Oh, you guys. Ooh, ngiphelile. Kamnandi. Hey, shaky lele. This rubber. That was so good. That is so good. They found the refreshing. Hey my loves, I'm now done with my home workout. It was super great. It was so nice. Hoo-hoo. I'm done now. I need to take a shower and refresh. Hey, boss, sparkles in don't salon stare. Creepy. Why are you being creepy? This one is being creepy. Why are you being creepy? Why are you being creepy? Hey, I'm done. Ouch! I'm done with my home workout. This is a refresher. It's a baby girl. It's a baby girl. Spark! Hey! 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 To a birthday staycation. Guys, it was my birthday on Tuesday, and I didn't vlog because it was just a vibe. Manyam no happy. It was very intimate, and yeah. Otherwise, I had a great birthday. I had a super great birthday, and so it's the weekend. It's Friday today. We are going to some birthday staycation of some sort. So we are here at Pick n Pay just to get a few things that we might need.
This is salted. This is salted last time.
also Staycation going with lemon and have very good. Something
for la chocolate.
How's like this? Wow. Go to add. Let's get biltong and juice. No? What juice? Orange juice. Or you can bear that. Let me check the list about Shatan. Who's this granny? Like lips.
So Buddha, Shabuzit, checking in. Yeah, Shabut. Okay.
Welcome to Dominic.
Okay, sure.
Thank you. ID or license just to quickly scan.
Okay. Sure.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love.
Very peaceful, son. You? Polly.
akho bantu kuthe cwaka wesenga kungena athi ke bantu baphangela hayi
Kuthule mpela.
kuthule mpela ecwaka
Hey guys, we just got here and this place is so stunning, so peaceful. It is very nice. I think let me just do a house tour. My lens house tour. Let's do a house tour. So they've got some patio situation happening over here. It's so nice. Some bright place, some cupboards. Spacious as well. Nice, nice. The view is a viewing. The view. Ndayithanda baby le ndawo. Ndayithanda. Till 6. Jim. Okay. Oh, it's the pool that's till 6 and then okay, we can still go later on. Yeah. Stunning kitchen area. Good toaster, coffee machine. Stunning. We've got a washing machine. Yeah, we've got the dryer as dishwasher. We've got a dishwasher. The sink. I love these lights. Ooh, love these lights. Stove, oven, in a microwave, kettle over there. They've got everything you might need, son, like in Gqeberha. Okay. I think Abba Zimbisa. Mr. and Mrs. Q had to come through as well. And then over here we've got this dining setup. Some dining setup is going on here. Love this light. Love it. We've got some fireplace. And we've got this nice chair. It's so nice and comfy. It looks comfy as well. We've got a nice fridge. There's the girl. Oh, Cassana, there's the girl. That is the girl. We've got some nice fridge going on here. We've got a working area over here with a nice decor. Looks so cool. And then we've got a bedroom, white clean linen, television, nice cupboards. Bathroom, we've got a nice bathtub, some fresh towels, toilets, nice sink, The fact that Silibele it's oil mtua, my son. That's fine.
I think we overdid it with the food.
I think so too.
Yes, right. I just want one. Considers bending. Babe. My love, to considers bending. Find your one. I was getting one.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a violin. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed you, I needed to distance myself from you. I was just another picture.
It's gym time. This is nice. Nice. Gym was awesome. It was very nice.
Rising with you tonight is on a island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just another picture. So I confess on the truth. Won't you? Can I tell you something for why it's worth? Really having it place on it. Take you there, show you something, give you more than words. Really having it place on it.
Oh, this looks stunning. This is stunning. The view is viewing. Love it.
On a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you even said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you weren't true. So I come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say you're rising with you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you even said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to.
Kubo.
Was that good episode?
Kubo. Episode. Is this for YouTube?
Yes. The sun is sunning. The views are viewing. The board is boarding. Everything is ink, man. Can't wait for the meet. Can't wait for the meet. Say tell. Okay, I said say tell. Is it going to say tell? Hey my loves, Sana, it's checkout time. What a lovely stay. I had a good time. I really enjoyed my stay here. We are checking out now, going back home. I'm so happy to go back home. Kumbula place really no sparkles. So we are heading off now. Thank you my loves for tuning in, and I do hope that you did enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me actually show you guys my outfit of the day. Let me use this fridge. Yeah, let me use this fridge. I'm wearing this nice silk dress. Nice. Oh, it feels so good. Look, I got this dress Gqeberha experience. Dating at 820 Chinatown. Yeah, and I'm wearing my Galxboy thongs. Love them. What else can I? I'm wearing my watch from American Swiss. Yeah, American Swiss. Yeah, I think so. American Swiss. And yes, man. Yes, man. And I will carry my fan bag and my sunglasses. Yeah. Thank you, my loves, for watching. Until next time.
being caught up with the bitches I don't get it. You're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me. I love me.